Hey folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix Diskpart has encountered error, then let's look for the solutions. So the first one is to scan the drive for any errors. So how do we do that is to open File Explorer, click on this PC. Now this is my only drive, so I will right click on this and I will go look for properties. Here we look for tools and we will click on this option check drive and scan drive, and this should resolve this error immediately. Now if this doesn't work, then another option we have is to do a comprehensive scan or check disk. So we will look for command prompt, right click on it, run as administrator, yes, and we will type the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r and enter, and click y and enter, and this should resolve the error. Now if this too doesn't work, then we have to change the drive and maybe look for the cause of the problem, that is a bad sector in the drive. So if there's a bad sector at drive C, what I can do is I can create a partition and create a completely different drive so that I can use that drive instead of drive C. So what I can do is I can look for partition, and this option shows up create and format hard disk partitions. And now I have only one drive like you have seen before, drive C. So I right click on that and I click on shrink volume. So now this will ask me how much volume I need for my other drive. So right now, just for example's sake, let me put in that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So this is around 1 GB. All right. And let me, okay, this is, sorry, 1000 MB. So 100,000 MB, that's around 10 GB. And it should create, sorry, 100 GB, and it should create an unallocated space. So I look here, I right click, new simple volume, next, next. Now I can assign any letter I want for the following drive letter. So I can maybe I'll mark it as T. So let me change the drive letter to T. Next, next, and finish. And now we have this new drive, new volume, you can see here, and we can use this as our drive in which we save all our folders and personal files. So that happened. Now that's about it, and if this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.